Meeting friends for Asian food, just waiting for them, and the rain stopped. So I was able to walk. It was about 1.3 miles from my apartment. I don't know, we'll see. I may have to take an Uber home.
This restaurant called this one too. Which one? Here. No.
Okay, well, that was a great evening. Lovely friends, lovely food. It was really good. It was like Thai, kind of Vietnamese, very yummy. And as you saw, really cool inside. It's super mild. We're actually going to go into a little bit of a warm front. But I got lucky. It didn't rain both ways, so I could walk to and fro. So I'm excited. All right, that's my Friday night, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.